Not all videos are recorded with perfect background audio. Sometimes the sound is so inappropriate that it's better to get rid of the original audio of the video altogether. Follow this video guide to learn how to remove audio from video in just a couple of easy steps with Icecream Video Editor. Step 1. Launch Icecream Video Editor on your computer. Download the program from our official website, icecreamapps.com, and install it if you haven't done that yet. Step 2. Now you need to add your video to Timeline. Click the Add Files button in the upper left corner of the program's window to pick the video you want to edit. You can also drag and drop the video to the media library to do it faster. Now, simply drag and drop the added video to the timeline. You may press the play button in the built-in player to preview the video. Step 3. To remove audio from the added scene, proceed to the audio settings panel of the video. Remove the check mark from the Keep Original Audio option and press the Done button to apply the changes. Press the play button in the built-in player to preview the video and verify the audio is now removed. Step 4. Export your new video. For this, click the Export Video button to customize the output video settings, and then click the Export button to start the video export. Click the Open Folder button to find your updated video on your PC. Now you know how to remove audio from a whole video. But what if you need to mute just a part of a video? Split the video into several parts using the Split button. Then click the scene you want to mute and go to its audio settings panel. Uncheck Keep Original Audio option and apply changes. With Icecream Video Editor, you can remove audio from video easily and for free. The program offers a bunch of other handy features for top-notch video editing. Download the program from the official website now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more software tips. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter to stay tuned for the updates.